Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to track leads using element visibility. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be setting up leads for this website or landing page URL, whatever you say. And for the platform, we'll be using Google Analytics 4. That's why I have created a Google Analytics 4 property, and Google Tag Manager is connected with this website, and I have set up two tags, one for the page view event and another for Google Tag, okay, for GA4. So let's see what we are going to be doing over here. So if someone click on get a free estimate, then we have a form available here, okay. So we have full name, email, phone number, subject, message. So if I fill up the form, subject as test, maybe message as test, and if I click on send request, then it will not be redirecting me to another page. Instead of going another page, it is giving me a pop-up message or thank you message. Okay, thanks for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly. So how can we track this as one of our lead events or our lead events? Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So for doing that, we need to go to the tag manager, and we can inspect it from here. Okay, so we'll be inspecting it. So let's click on the inspect section. Okay, then you will see the highlighted option over here. So what you need to do, you need to right click on your mouse to the highlighted option, and they will get an option called copy. Then you're going to be copying the selector. So I'm going to copy the selector and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, then I'm gonna copy it from here. Then we'll go to the Google Tag Manager. Then we'll go to the trigger section, because we are gonna be making a trigger using element visibility. Okay, so I'll click on new, and I can name this as element visibility lead trigger. Okay, you can name it as per your requirements. So I'll be choosing trigger group, and I'm gonna go to the element visibility section. Sorry, element visibility section. Then instead of ID, I'm gonna be choosing CSS selector, and I'll be pasting the copied value from here. So I'm gonna copy it again and paste it over here. Okay, perfect. And I'll be selecting once per page, then maximum percent visible, and to keep it as 50%, and you need to enable this option observe DOM changes. Okay, and I want to fire it all events. So if you want to trigger it for some events, then you can do that from this section, but I want to do it for the all visibility events. So I'll click on save. Then we'll go to the tag section, and I'm gonna create a new tag. So I'll name it as GA4 event lead. Okay. Then I'm gonna be choosing tag configuration as Google Analytics 4 GA4 event. Then we are gonna be giving the measurement ID. Okay, GA4 tag. Then as the event name, I'll name it as like this, generate underscore lead. Okay, perfect. I don't want to pass any additional parameters, so that's why I'll not be selecting any event parameters. So if you want to pass some parameters, then you can do that. For this instance, I'll not be passing any parameters. Okay, so from the triggering section, we'll be triggering it as element visibility lead trigger. Then I'll click on save. So let's test whether this works fine or not. So for testing, I'm going to click on the preview button, and I need to provide the website URL. This is already there, so I'm going to click on connect. Then I'm going to scroll down. We'll have a form available here. So I'm gonna fill up the form, my name, email, number, subject as test, message as test. Then I'm gonna click on send message. Okay. Then you can see over here, thanks for contacting us. We'll be in touch with you shortly. Let's go to the tag assistant and see whether our lead event fires or not. So you can see over here GA4 event lead has fired one time. Let's go to the analytics and see the debug view. Okay, so you can see over here generate event lead. We have an event called generate event lead. Okay, base title analytical growth service. So yeah, that is how you can track leads using element visibility. Okay, so hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Okay, so if you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.